What is up, YouTube? Today we're gonna find out if the Mustang EcoBoost can they do donuts. I don't know. I think we can. I think they could do donuts. I'm not sure, but check out my ride. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'll show you the updates in a different video. I'll go in depth what I did to it. But so far, this is how it looks. It's pretty cool. But yeah, today we're gonna find out if in different views, like hopefully with the drone, with this and the GoPro. Maybe it'll be different views of how it could do donuts. So.
Yeah, why they like me so? Bitch, you talk too much. I'm moving it slow. Tell me what's the rush? You don't know me well. I'm alone in hell. All the shit I did. I'm a trouble kid. You can't break my code. 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 Yeah, you can't break my code. 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 Yeah.
Oh, bitches get.
What is up, YouTube? As you can tell from the video, Mustangs do in fact can do donuts. Thanks for watching. And also, I just left the gym, so that's why I look like this.
So, you talk too much. I'm moving the snow. Tell me what's the rush?